Hello, dear students. Very warm welcome. I'm Gurpreet, your English teacher, once again here with another video of English practical for class plus 2 ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਕੂਲ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਬੋਰਡ ਤੇ ਵਰਕਸ਼ੀਟ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵਰਕਸ਼ੀਟ ਨੰਬਰ 10 ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਬੇਸਡ ਔਨ ਲੈਸਨ ਦ ਗੋਲਡਨ ਫਰੇਮਵਰਕ ਸੈਂਡ ਬਾਈ ਦ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਸਕੂਲ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਬੋਰਡ। आई होप कि वीडियो हेल्पफुल होगी तुहाडे लई। ध्यान नाल सुन लेना ते आंसर्स नोट कर लेना बेटा। सो चैक करते हैं, देखो सैक्शन 1 क्वेश्चनस नूं रीड कर लो, ऑडियो प्ले की जाऊगी तो तुसीं आंसर्स नाल हुंदे नोट डाउन कर लैणे ने बेटा। लो सुनो।
10 plus 2 Listening test. Lesson The Gold Frame. Dear students, you will listen to an audio and answer the questions as you listen. Before you listen to the audio, please read questions 1 to 5. Now listen to the audio.
Section 1. Datta was an age-old, experienced shopkeeper. With his tons of experience, he knew that the customers did not come punctually. So he made pictures only for those who came to him and visited him at least twice before the execution of their orders. This customer, who gave his grandfather's picture to be framed, came after 10 days. He inquired about the picture, on which he received a mere nod of Datta's head. Datta promised him to get the frame ready by Tuesday. After that, the first job for Datta was to frame that picture. He started his work with complete dedication, but his usual stuff was missing. He couldn't find his marking pencil. Finally, he stood up and tried his master move, the famous shake of his dhoti. But this time, instead of producing the result, it brought massive commotion. The tin full of white paint fell down on the picture to be framed, resulting in an absolute damage. Datta was helpless. He could do nothing but watch the damage happen in front of his eyes. He had no way to tackle the situation. Finally, he thought to replace the picture with similar looking photograph. Though he did it, but the days followed were really full of stress. Finally, the customer came, looked at the picture and got lost in its grandeur and fell silent. The only fault he found was the wrong type of frame. He had given him order for a cut mount with an oval shape, but it was square.
This is the end of the section 1. You have some time to check the answers.
ओके बेटा, सैक्शन 1 सुन लिया तुसां ने। सो हुण ये आंसर्स तुसीं नोट डाउन कर ले होने ने। चैक करो, स्पैलिंग ध्यान नाल चैक कर लेने ने बेटा। लो जी बेटा, ये सी तुहाडे सैक्शन 1 दे आंसर्स सारे लिखे हुए तुहाडे सामने, नोट कर लो। ओके, सो हो गया तो हुण आपां वधदे हां सैक्शन 2 वाल। हाँ जी बेटा, ये हैगा सैक्शन 2। क्वेश्चनस रीड कर लो, ऑडियो प्ले होगी तो आंसर्स नाल होंदे तुसीं नोट डाउन कर लैणे ने बेटा। लो जी सुनो।
Section 2. You will listen to an audio and answer the questions as you listen. Before you listen to the audio, please read questions 6 to 10. Now listen to the audio.
Section 2. Women, who constitute half of the human population, are encountered with many challenges. Female feticide is perhaps one of the worst type of violence against women, where a woman is denied her most basic and fundamental right, that is, right to life. There is no particular definition of feticide provided by criminal law. The literal meaning of female feticide is the killing of a healthy female fetus in order to get rid of a girl child. It is considered to be a criminal offense in India. Abortion is lawful only when doctors believe that the continuance of pregnancy may pose a threat to the life of mother or to the unborn child. No doubt, if the practice continues, it will disturb the social balance. For a healthy society, male and female ratio must remain at a balanced level. The alarming rate of female feticide is a cause of great concern, as the number of girls born is decreasing drastically in several sections of our society. Hence, females are exposed to more exploitation and violence. This state of affairs, if not corrected, will have a horrible impact on the future generations.
This is the end of the listening test. Please check your answers.
ਓਕੇ ਬੇਟਾ, ਇਹ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ 2 ਸੁਣ ਲਿਆ। ਆਈ ਹੋਪ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੋਟ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰ ਲਏ ਹੋਣੇ ਨੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ। ਹੁਣ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਹੀ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਨੇ ਨੇ। ਲਓ ਜੀ, ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 5 ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਨੇ 6 to 10। ਆਈ ਹੋਪ ਨੋਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਰਕਸ਼ੀਟ 10 ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆ। ਇੱਕ ਵਰਕਸ਼ੀਟ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਦਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲਸ ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਲਦ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਲੈਣਗੇ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਬੇਸ 'ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੰਟਰਨਲ ਅਸੈਸਮੈਂਟ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਭੇਜਣੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ 20 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੀ। ਸੋ ਹੋਪ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਕੋਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ। ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਦ ਵੀਡੀਓ। Thank you.